As you can see, it's snowing right now. Cars driving by, snow all on the floors. Leaves a trail as I'm walking by. And the van again is covered. Look at this thick layer of snow here. Oh, all that snow. You can just see the windshield. All that snow is just coming right off like that. That's a lot of snow falling off the van. Even more snow. All of it just comes off. Looks like it is sticky on there. Let's try and get the snow off here. See, just made a little snowball here. Just chuck it at that pole. Let's get the snow off here. Oh, it's getting really windy. More snow on the ground. Scoop it up like that. And pick it up and chuck it over there. Looks like this side is completely clean. The front side seems to be okay. Nothing too bad right now. But even then, once it does start snowing, it will get even worse. It's pretty dangerous on the roads right now. Cars are going slow. See? There's a car coming soon. I'm just gonna record it. Look at the snow. You can see this truck. Look at that guy's going a little bit fast, but it's okay. Let's walk onto the roads for a second. Look at down the roads. And then we got the snowflake at the top. House. Cars all across. Oh, we got a big truck walking by. We're driving by. You got this clump of icy snow. This stuff has crystallized. Maybe take a picture of this truck. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Laters.